Hello everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Welcome to my media channel. We are doing another unboxing video, and this time we are doing something that I am very happy to see. I hope this actually means that more physical media from this company is coming, and it is All Quiet on the Western Front by Netflix. Let's move this back a little bit more. So you can see there's Netflix's logo. It's right there, and you know, Netflix has basically shied away from releasing physical media. They prefer to have it on their streaming service. They don't want to sell it. So that makes this a very unique release. And if you want to see more Netflix stuff come up and get released on physical media, then, well, you got to buy something like this. Now, I don't know if it shows right here, but this is actually a bigger than usual Blu-ray and 4K case. In fact, just to use a much worse movie example, that's what a typical Blu-ray case looks like. As you can see, it's a little taller. That's probably going to bug some people because they have those Blu-ray shelves, and that might make, you know, organizing difficult. But that said, it's really nice. I kind of like how Netflix is making it big and bold. This kind of has like a little bit of a booklet thing, so I think there's going to be a book in there. It has the name on all four sides. As you can see, it's Ultra HD plus it's Blu-ray. You have the back description and everything. Now let's see what happens when we open it, because it kind of looks enclosed. I kind of wonder how much of this is actual wraparound, but it so far looks like a very, very nice set. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? Just because the stinking thing is so... got to be careful with this, but I just want to get like a little, there we go. That was pretty, I couldn't find an opening there, so figured we would punch an opening. Try not to make any that's what she said jokes in the comments below over that. So let's take this off, and this is the cover. And okay, so on the back we have this great shot that was in the movie. Yep, it pretty much is a digibook, except it's a little bit bigger. You open it, and there's the Ultra HD disc. And let's just take out the disc to see what the back looks like. There's no digital code in this, by the way. That's while I'm a little disappointed in that, I'm not terribly surprised either. Oh, I kind of like that, how like the background goes into the... That's a very nice effect. So what we have in here, we have some notes from the director of the film, and definitely a lot to read about. Oh, the smell! It kind of smells like a Criterion release. I love that smell. I know you can't smell it, but yeah. So. Yeah, this looks like it's going to be a really in-depth interview about the film. The pages are not glossy, they're regular paper pages. And then we have the Blu-ray. Now, let me see something. So if you actually turn it, the image does match up with the background. It's just a little discolored, so that, you know, you can really... Boy, some of the problem with these cases, like the first time you take them out, hold on, I gotta just, because this is a lot harder to take out. I'm afraid I'm gonna break the disc at this rate. But, oh, there, it's like pulling teeth. And as you can see in the background, it still goes with the booklet. That is nice. Okay, we'll put this back now that it's been removed once. It probably won't be difficult to remove again. Now, did I notice on the last one, did they? Yes, they actually did do that. I didn't notice this the first time, but yep, the disc does coincide with the artwork. This is very clever packaging. And there you have it. Now, oops. Now, is Netflix's logo anywhere? Interestingly, once you take the cover off, except for the disc, Netflix's name isn't on it anywhere. So that's that seems like a weird oversight. But anyway, you stay there, stay there. So that's what the 4K release of All Quiet on the Western Front looks like. Now, it doesn't actually say whether this is a limited edition. Oh, something I on the cover on the other side. Oh man, they are really making it difficult for me to throw this paper away. I really like that. Anyway, I don't know if this is a limited edition thing or not they're doing. I don't know how long it's going to be on the store shelves. I know you can get it at like Best Buy, Amazon, all those places. They kind of indicated in the listings that this is a limited edition item, but there's nothing on the packaging to suggest that, so I just do not know. But here's the thing. I definitely do recommend having it part of your collection. It's a very good movie, so if you want to own this movie, that's one reason to get it. And the other reason is, well, if you really want to see Netflix release more physical media, you convince them by buying things like this. If this sells out, and if this sells out relatively quickly, Netflix will probably at least consider releasing more of their movies on disc. Not everything, but certain acclaimed films, maybe they will. I would love to have Pinocchio on a 4K disc. And by all accounts, this disc looks so much better than the stream on Netflix. So take that for what it's worth. But anyway, I do like to know, have you bought this? What do you think of it? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.